Today I'll be showing you how to screen share from your iPad using an HDMI adapter. First, make sure you have your USB-C or Lightning to HDMI adapter. That's what connects your iPad to the display. Go ahead and plug the HDMI cable into the adapter, and then plug the adapter into your iPad. Make sure you are connected to the desired HDMI port on your TV or monitor. Once everything's connected, your iPad screen should automatically appear on the TV, projector, or monitor. Now, go to Settings, scroll until you see the Display and Brightness tab, and you'll be able to choose between screen sharing or extended display. And that's it. You're ready to screen the mirror with HDMI in just a few seconds.